Air travel is exciting. It opens a world of possibilities. Flying can be a little confusing for first-time travelers. This guide is here to help. We'll walk you through booking your first flight. Booking a flight is like planning a road trip. You need to decide where you're going and when. You'll need to pack your bags. But instead of a car, you'll fly through the air. This guide will teach you everything you need to know. You'll learn how to find the best deals. We'll explain how to choose the right seats. Get ready for takeoff. Let's get started. The first step in planning your trip is to find your flight. This can be an exciting yet overwhelming task, given the multitude of options available online. There are two main ways to do this: online travel agencies, OTAs, and airline websites. Each has its own set of advantages and can cater to different needs and preferences. OTAs are like big online marketplaces. They aggregate flight options from various airlines, making it easier for you to compare and choose the best deal. They compare prices from many different airlines, offering a comprehensive view of what's available. This can save you a lot of time and effort. Think of websites like Expedia, Kayak, or Google Flights. These platforms are designed to help you find the best flight options quickly and efficiently. They are great for finding the cheapest options. You can set filters for price, duration, and even layovers to tailor your search to your specific needs. Airline websites, on the other hand, are run by the airlines themselves. These sites offer a direct line to the airline's inventory and customer service. You can often find special deals and promotions here that may not be available on OTAs. Airlines sometimes offer exclusive discounts to encourage direct bookings. You can book directly with airlines like American Airlines, Delta, or United. This can sometimes offer added benefits like easier changes or cancellations. Both OTAs and airline websites are designed to be user-friendly. They guide you through the booking process step by step, ensuring you don't miss any important details. They guide you through the booking process step by step. From selecting your flight to entering passenger details and making the payment, everything is laid out clearly. It's up to you which one you prefer. Whether you value the comprehensive comparison of OTAs or the direct connection and exclusive deals of airline websites, the choice is yours. Additionally, many OTAs and airlines offer mobile apps, making it even more convenient to book flights on the go. These apps often come with additional features like real-time flight updates and easy access to your booking details. Whether you choose to book through an OTA or directly with an airline, it's always a good idea to compare options on multiple platforms. This ensures you get the best deal and the most suitable flight for your needs. In the end, the goal is to find a flight that fits your schedule, budget, and preferences. Happy travels! Once you've chosen your platform, whether it's a popular travel website or a dedicated airline's booking page, it's time to enter your travel details. This is a crucial step in ensuring your journey is smooth and hassle-free. Think of it as telling the airline exactly where you want to go and when. This information helps the airline prepare for your arrival and ensures you get to your destination on time. First, you'll need to enter your departure city or airport. This is the starting point of your adventure, the place where your journey begins. Imagine the excitement as you walk through the airport terminal, ready to embark on your trip. Next, enter your destination city or airport. This is where you want to land, the place you've been dreaming about visiting. Picture the moment your plane touches down and you step out into a new city, ready to explore. You'll also need to select your travel dates. This is important because it determines when you'll be flying out and when you'll be coming back. When do you want to fly out? Think about the best time for your schedule and any events you might want to attend. When do you want to return? Make sure you have enough time to enjoy your trip without feeling rushed. Be sure to double-check your dates. It's easy to make a mistake and you don't want to end up with the wrong travel dates. Finally, tell the website how many passengers are traveling. Are you flying solo, as a couple, or with family and friends? This helps the airline allocate the right number of seats for your group. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking adventure, a couple on a romantic getaway, or a family on vacation, make sure to enter the correct number of passengers. Make sure everything is accurate before moving on. Double-check all the details you've entered to avoid any issues later. Once you're sure everything is correct, you can proceed to the next step in the booking process. With all your travel details entered correctly, you're one step closer to your dream trip. Happy travels! Now comes the fun part, choosing your flight. You'll see a list of available flights based on your travel details. Each flight will have different times, airlines, and prices. Pay attention to the departure and arrival times. Do they fit your schedule? Consider the airline. Do you have a preferred one? The price is also important. Look for the best deals. You can also choose your cabin class. Economy is the most affordable option. Business class offers more comfort and amenities. First class is the most luxurious way to fly. Take your time and compare the flights. Find the one that best suits your needs and budget. Section 5. Passenger information, names and details, please. After selecting your flight, it's time to provide passenger information. This is where you'll enter the names and details of everyone traveling. Enter the names exactly as they appear on your passports. This is very important for international travel. You'll also need to provide dates of birth and any frequent flyer numbers. Some airlines may ask for additional information. This could include contact details or passport numbers. Make sure to fill out all the required fields accurately. Double-check all the information before proceeding. Mistakes can be costly to fix later on. Section 6. Extras and add-ons. From baggage to travel insurance, you're almost there. Before you finalize your booking, you'll have the option to add extras. These are optional services that can enhance your trip. One common extra is checked baggage. If you have large suitcases, you'll need to pay to check them in. Car rental and hotel reservations can also be bundled. Travel insurance is another important consideration. It protects you against unexpected events like trip cancellations or medical emergencies. Think about what extras you might need. Adding them during booking is usually cheaper than doing it later. Section 7. Payment and security. Secure transactions for peace of mind. Now it's time to pay for your flight. Most airlines and travel websites accept credit cards and debit cards. Some may also offer alternative payment methods. Make sure the website you're using is secure. Look for https:// in the address bar and a padlock icon. This indicates that your payment information is encrypted. Double-check all the booking details before confirming. Make sure the dates, times, and passenger names are correct. Once you're satisfied, click Confirm or Book Now. Congratulations, you've booked your flight. Section 8. Confirmation and itinerary. Your ticket to adventure. After you make your payment, you will receive a confirmation email. This email contains your itinerary with all your flight details. Print out your itinerary or save it to your phone. You'll need it to check in for your flight and board the plane. The confirmation email might have important information about baggage allowances and check-in times. Be sure to read through everything carefully. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact the airline or travel agency. Section 9. First time flying? Tips for a smooth journey. Flying for the first time can be a little daunting, but don't worry, it's a new adventure, and with a bit of preparation, you can make it a smooth and enjoyable experience. Here are a few tips to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. 1. Arrive at the airport early. This is crucial because airports can be unpredictable. Arriving early gives you plenty of time to check in, go through security, and find your gate without feeling rushed. 2. Pack light. Bring only the essentials to avoid checked baggage fees and to make your journey more comfortable. A lighter bag is easier to manage and reduces the risk of losing your luggage. 3. Stay hydrated. Airplane cabins can be quite dry, so it's important to drink plenty of water, especially on long flights. Bring an empty water bottle through security and fill it up before you board. 4. Bring entertainment. Flights can be long and sometimes boring, so pack a book, magazine, or download movies and music to your device. This will help pass the time and make your journey more enjoyable. 5. Be patient. Air travel can be unpredictable with delays and changes. Stay calm and go with the flow. Remember, everyone is in the same situation, and getting frustrated won't help. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the ride. Flying is an incredible experience that allows you to see the world from a different perspective. Take a moment to look out the window and appreciate the view. If you follow these tips, your first flight will be a memorable and pleasant experience. Remember, every seasoned traveler was once a first-time flyer. With each flight, you'll become more comfortable and confident. So embrace the adventure and happy flying.